What I mean by that is, attack version detail breakdown. So we went over what nerve attack, pinwheel, puncher fury, round kick, paralyzing touch point, as well as a few static letters. But now we're going to get into the difference between regular, premium, supreme, and supreme boosted. The versions do not change depending on the type. So, the regular attack is going to be the same style looking regular attack for a nerve attack than it will be for a pinwheel, puncher fury, and etc. Premium is similar to the nerve attack, but adds our Panda AI highlight on top of the dispute table. Nerve attack supreme is similar to the nerve attack premium, but adds the Panda AI triple plus attack logic and Metro 2 logic to the challenge, to the actual table. And the nerve attack supreme boosted is an addition to the supreme. So you have everything included in the supreme, but additional AI driven attack logic, and of course the Metro 2 coding on top of the table. Every single last attack, unless you're including factual disputing in there, will include the Panda AI compliance based logic. So let's get into how they look. So here is a regular letter, right? So you'll have all the verbiage in here changes, right? So the intro paragraph will be different for every single last time you run this. The same thing with the personal information section and how we're challenging that. So all the words always change. Now, what is different about this version will be how it is displayed, right? As you see, TransUnion, this is a TransUnion letter. So we're only sending TransUnion data to TransUnion. We do not waste paper by sending Equifax data to TransUnion or Experian data to TransUnion because it doesn't help. So you'll see your account name, account number, last verified, all data fields, right? So it should be around between either 19 or 22 data fields here. And then you'll see the compliance-based verbiage there. And then once again, under every single last account, everything that's being challenged, the words always change. This is what the regular letter looks like. If you look at a premium letter, this is also to TransUnion. As you will see, the intro is different. The how we attack personal information is different as well. And then you will see the Panda highlight, right? So you're gonna get everything that you get in a normal letter, but then you have your Panda highlight on there, and it varies depending on once the system analyzes the record, it decides what should be highlighted to bring more attention to it. And of course, you do have your compliance-based challenge down here, and if you go into factual disputing mode, you can negate this completely and have your factual reason in there also. Sending regular letters or premium letters and factually disputing is greater in this system than other systems because of all the data fields that we're showing here and how the letter looks. Let's now move over to our supreme letter. Now, supreme letter is going to include the intro section and then the summary of everything that's being challenged. So if you notice that on the premium letter and the regular letter, it didn't have the summary. That's only for the supreme and supreme boosted. Here, you're going to see the premium highlight. You're going to see the supreme circle as well. And then you're going to see the Metro 2 field coding on top, right? So HR12 is the name, is the account name. BS7 is account number. BS-23, base sector field 23, base sector field 7. That's what that means. Header record field 8 is data last activity. All these things line up with the Metro 2 coding. And then you'll have your compliance-based challenge here, which will always vary. And then you'll have some additional verbiage. Also see the image above calling out this specifically. So the supreme letter works just like that. And of course, all the verbiage is different under every single last one. If we go to our supreme boosted letter, you're going to have your intro section, the summary of what's being challenged. You have your account name, of course, and then you got your account number and all that. You got your Panda highlight. You got your supreme circle. You have your compliance-based challenge. But then you're going to see the additional things that the supreme boosted does. So it's going to challenge between 3 to 7 items within here based off of now the Panda does its analysis and it determines that, okay, we should challenge date open, account type, last verified, creditor type, so on and so forth. Panda highlight from premium is there. The circle for supreme is there. Your compliance-based challenge is there as well. And then you see it's challenging additional things. So it's challenging 4 as well. So the system analyzes what's going on and it decides what's the best verbiage, as well as the best highlight, the best red circle, the best things to put in there, as well as Supreme Boosted will take between 3 to 7 fields in here to decide what else should be challenged. Now, another one will be, I just wanted to show this one here. If we go here, I went to my disputing tab and I added a custom reason. So I wanted to factually dispute this particular account. So if we go to see this here, I used a premium letter. This is the Credit One Bank here. And what we're doing is, this is a sample factual dispute verbiage with disputepanda.com. So as you see, we replaced the compliance-based challenge and we added in our factual-based reasoning. And of course, every single last page is numbered. The reason why we number the pages is if it's being scanned by the credit bureaus, you don't want it to be scanned out of order. This way you get better and better results as well. So that is the breakdown of your different versions.